Hey everyone, just gonna do a little review on the recent Lego sets that I built. First one is the Lego Batman Joker Chase. The car is actually from the 1989 Batman movie. Looks pretty awesome. Looks really close to what it was in the movie, including the guns that pop out. Not too big of a fan of these pieces flying off, but it is what it is. The car itself, as the tires are moving, it's got a little flame shooting. It does have a rear compartment for all the bat tools. Grappling gun, handcuffs, batarangs, you name it. It comes with 2 minifigs. Of course, the one is Batman, and the other one, once I get the handcuffs off of them, Joker. Both really look like they were in the movies, or the movie rather. Overall, the build was pretty easy to do. Next up, I'm a pretty big fan of the Lego helmets. The first one is going to be Star-Lord. Overall, the build is pretty nice. A couple of pieces were kind of a pain to put on, but that's usually true with any of the Lego helmets. From what I've been told, this is one of the ones that will be retired, I think, towards the end of this month. You can tell by the cost of the set itself, it has actually went up by about $10–15 around me. Next up is another set that I have heard that is going to be retired as well, the Infinity Gauntlet. What I like about this is you can actually pose the fingers and the thumb, so you can make a fist with it. It has all of the Infinity Stones. You do have to be very careful with the bricks. The gold ones do tend to scratch fairly easily. I found that out with one of them. Can't even see it here, but yeah, be very careful because this gold plating, paint, whatever you want to call it, will chip fairly easily. Overall, it took me about hour and a half, 2 hours to build. And then, last but not least, for anybody that ever watched the 97 cartoon X-Men, this is Wolverine's claw. And again, pretty easy to put together. Fingers and thumbs do move, so you can definitely make a fist. Can't wait to actually get the wall mount displays for all this. So that does it for today. Thank you for watching, and keep on building.